Hello friends. Today our topic on Poisson distribution is very interesting. That is the change of the size of the interval. Let the expected mean, that is mu, and the expected standard deviation, that is sigma, of a Poisson are as follows. According to the notation, if x, that is our random variable, that is denoting the Poisson distribution for the parameter lambda, then we have the mu, that is the mean, is equal to lambda, and the standard deviation, that is also our sigma, that means square root of lambda. We know that. Now suppose we have a problem. Suppose we know that births in a hospital occur randomly at an average rate of 1.8 births per hour. Once again, the births in a hospital occur randomly at an average rate of 1.8 births per hour. So, question is like that: what is the probability that we observe 5 births in a given 2-hour interval? Now, according to the problem, we may say that lambda is equal to, on the unit of per hour, is 1.8. Well, if births occur randomly at a rate of 1.8 births per 1 hour interval, then the births can occur randomly at a rate of 3.6, that is our 1.8 into 2, that means 3.6 births per 2-hour interval, and that is treated as another random variable, that is suppose y, and that is number of births in a 2-hour period, where at that moment our parameter is 3.6. Now that is particularly following the rule of Poisson distribution. If we have x, a random variable that is following the Poisson with the parameter lambda in 1 unit interval, then we may have another random variable for k unit of intervals, that is 1 into k. So that may be the parameter is k into lambda. Here for 1 hour interval, that was lambda as 1.8. Now for 2-hour interval, that means 1 into 2. So here k into lambda, k is here 2. So we may have 2 lambda is equal to 3.6. So that is our rule for the Poisson distribution. So we may use that rule for our Poisson distribution, and that is the first change of interval. Next, suppose another statement. In hospital A, births occur randomly at an average rate of 2.3 births per hour. Once again, here that is our lambda 1, the parameter 2.3 births per hour. In hospital B, births occur randomly at an average rate of 3.1 births per hour, the same unit. That means we are treating it at that moment lambda 2 as 3.1, lambda 1 as 2.3. Question is, what is the probability that we observe 7 births in a total from the 2 hospitals in a given 1 hour period? Now the unit is 1 hour. So when we have to check the probability from both the hospital, we can use another rule of Poisson distribution. And to answer this question, we have first one x, that is denoting, or for the Poisson, the first one lambda 1 is 2.3 for 1 unit of interval, and another, that is y, for Poisson lambda 2, the second parameter on 1 unit interval. Then we may have x plus y, that is for the Poisson lambda 1 plus lambda 2, that is the summation of two parameters on one unit interval. So here, according to the problem, x is the number of bars in a given hour at hospital A and y the number of bars in a given hour at hospital B. So x is denoting the Poisson with the parameter 2.3 and y is denoting with the Poisson parameter 3.1. Then we have x plus y, that must be 2.3 plus 3.1, that means lambda 1 plus lambda 2, and here that one is 5.4. So x plus y is for the parameter with Poisson distribution, that is 5.4 or lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Now the question was that what is the probability that we observe 7 births in total from the two hospitals, as that is given total from the two hospitals, we are getting that x plus y. So 7 births means x is equal to 7. So we have probability of x plus y is equal to 7, that is e to the power minus 5.4 into 5.4 whole to the power 7, that is our x, and upon 7 factorial, and the calculated result is 0.11999. Let us discuss another one problem. Disease A occurs with incidence 1.7 per million. Disease B occurs with incidence 2.9 per million. Statistics are compiled in which these diseases are not distinguished but simply are called cases of disease A, B. Once again, statistics are compiled in which these diseases are not distinguished but simply are called cases of A, B. So here A, B is particularly denoting A plus B. So what is the probability that a city of 1 million people has at least 6 cases of AB? Once again, what is the probability that a city of 1 million people, the problem was also based on per million, 1 million people has at least 6 cases of AB. Let Z be the number of cases of AB. Then we have P, that is denoting of the Poisson with the parameter 4.6. That means 1.7 plus 2.9, lambda 1 plus lambda 2. And the question is at least 6 cases. That means greater than equal to 6. So we have to find out, that means 1 minus probability of Z less than equal to 5. So 1 minus, as lambda is equal to 4.6, so e to the power minus lambda has been taken as common and as a multiplier, and Z less than equal to 5 means for 0, 1, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, and up to x is equal to 5. And the final result we are getting, that is 0.314. So particularly these two rules are followed in Poisson distribution to diminish that the changes the size of interval.